Breathe in. Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. I welcome you all on this auspicious day of Guru Purnima. Very happy to welcome on behalf of Ashraya Yoga Center, Mrs. Aruna ma'am, Mrs. Archana ji, and my beloved Veena ma'am also on this auspicious day. We are expecting 2 more Gurus to join us. We'll wait for them. A hearty welcome to all of you. Now, I fall at the lotus feet, my humble pranams to all my reverential Gurus present in front of me. Seek your blessings on this day. Now, what is Guru Purnima? Now, who is a Guru first? In Sanskrit, this Guru is meaning mentor, guide. But these are very simple words to describe a Guru. Guru is considered to be the embodiment of the Sakshat Parameshwar. And this day, it's very special in offering our prayers and show our heartfelt gratitude to all our Gurus. Guru is like a reverential figure to us, to the disciple, and serving as a counselor who helps to mold our values, who confers the emancipation from the bondage. The inherent nature of the Guru is wherever they go, they bring life there. And he is the dispeller of the darkness and ignorance. Is a valuable treasure. Guru is our valuable treasure. Satyachit Anand. So Guru is also like a flute whose tune makes us jump with joy. Now, before seeking a Guru, what should be the attitude or a bhava of a speaker or a seeker, a spiritual seeker or any seeker? He or she should have a deep reverence for his Guru first and seek refuge in him. The immediate response from the Guru, when we seek refuge, it will be, have no fear, I am there with you, I will take care of you, and I will also protect you. The Guru never expects any words of thanks from his disciples. The Guru comes to the person at the right time, whenever we want, and we have lost in our way, he is there to show us the right path. That is the importance of Guru in our life. Vinaya phalam shushrusha, Guru shushrusha phalam shrutam jnanam, jnanasya phalam viratihi, virati phalam chashrava nirodha. It's a beautiful sentence. The meaning is, modesty yields service, service to the Guru yields knowledge, knowledge yields detachment, and detachment yields salvation. So that's the wonderful thing. We're all so blessed to have Gurus in our life, and we have so many Gurus, and we pick up the right ones with us who are guiding us, who will be guiding us throughout our life. Feeling so blessed to be around so many of you here right now. Thank you so much. Hari Om. And one small request from my side. I request everybody to please mute their audios. You can keep your videos on throughout the session so that the session goes on very smoothly. Thank you so much. We will move on to the session now. Now I would request Mrs. Sangeeta Ravindran to start her screen sharing. The first one will be the Guru Vandanam video. Yes, Sangeeta ma'am, it's been played. Trying it, ma'am. Sangeeta ma'am, you're there?
It's okay, I'll try. I'll play.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. She's there. She's joining, ma'am.
Is it happening? Yes. Audio, my dear. Audio on. Okay, I'll play. You just. यशश्चारुचित्रं धनमेरतुल्यं वधश्चेदयज्ञं पुरोरमे ततत्यं 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 फलत्रातिसर्वं गृहं बान्धवं सर्वमेतं तिजातं वधश्चेत् वेदो मुखी शास्त्रविद्या कवित्वादितद्यं सुपद्यं करोति वधश्चेत् ततत्यं 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 विदेशेषु मान्या स्वदेशेषु दत्या सदाचारवृत्तेषु मत्तो धन्यं वधश्चेदलग्नं पुरोरं निपत्ते ततत्यं 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 शमकुण्डले भोपालवृन्दै सदा सेवितं यस्य पादारविन्दम् अधश्चेदलग्नं पुरोरं निपत्ने ततत्यं 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 यशो मे गतं तेषु प्रताप जगद्वस्तु सर्वं करे सत्प्रसादात् अधश्चेदलग्नं पुरोरं निपत्ने ततत्यं 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 तपोज्ञेन योगेन भावाजिराजो न कान्तं सुखेनैव वित्तेषु चित्तम् अधश्चेदलग्नं गुरोरं कृपत्ने ततत्यं 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 ततत्यम् अरण्येन स्वस्य गेहेन कार्ये मनोवर्तते मे त्वनर्गे अधश्चेदलग्नं पुरोरमे ततत्यं 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 गुरुरष्टकं पठेत् पुण्यदेहि यतिर्भोपतिर्ब्रह्मचारी च गेहि लभेत्वाञ्छितार्थं पदं ब्रह्मसङ्गं गुरोरुक्तवाक्ये मनोव्यस्य लग्नं गुरोरुक्तवाक्ये मनोव्यस्य लग्नं गुरोरुक्तवाक्ये मनोव्यस्य लग्नं.
Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience in between
No
the
problem.
prayer. Now we'll be playing the Few glimpses of the previous year. Guru Puja by our Veena ma'am and the Ashraya Yoga Sadhakas. Please mute yourself and here are the few glimpses. The beautiful Namaskar by our Veena ma'am to the Ammaji. Feel so touched seeing these photos. Feel as if the Ammaji's blessing is with us. The Ammaji's picture. Everyone seek the blessings of the mother. Everyone having, wait, yeah, next one. Yeah, here are the glimpses all over, the blessings. Now we'll move on to the video, the tribute, the beautiful tribute of the beautiful tribute to the Guru by our Veena ma'am and the Ashraya Sadhakas. To our Guru, Sada Shiva Nimbakalji. Now, the video of our Guru Sadashiv Nimbalkar ji, the Ashirvad speech. Kindly listen.
सगळे सगळे सुखी भाऊ सगळे चांगल्या रीतीने स्वस्थ हो त्याशिवाय काय
Thank you all.
Thank you, Mrs. Sangeeta, for sharing all these videos and the pics. Beautiful. Now we will move on. Now I request Mrs. Baljit Kaur to give an introduction about our Aruna ma'am. Yes, Baljit Kaur.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. It's my greatest honor to talk about my Guru, my inspiration on this auspicious day of Guru Purnima. I really want to first thank her and really want to do namaskar from my bottom of my heart. I'm really thankful to her for always being inspiring and guiding me. Aruna ma'am is associated with Yog Vidya Niketan since the structure of institution came into existence. She has pursued her teacher training course and naturopathy and therapy from Yog Vidya Niketan in the year 1988 and 2002, the very first batch of this teacher training and this naturopathy. This is the first batch she has joined. Since then, she has been practicing and teaching yoga. With full dedication and positivity, she is teaching and making people to be in love with yoga. She is a mother of two handsome sons and grandmother of two super talented boys. She has been awarded with Lifetime Achievement Award by our respected Padma Shri Sadashiv Nimbalkar Sarji in the year 2018. At present, she is a teacher representative and managing all the regular batch teacher of Yog Vidya Niketan of Vashi branch and taking the regular online batch of Yog Vidya Niketan morning 10 to 11 a.m. batch. I really feel blessed and grateful to God to be the part of that Yog Vidya Niketan and to be worked under her, always in her guidance. And she's always there with me and guiding me in all the positive way. Thank you so much, ma'am. I really want to thank you from my bottom of my heart. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mrs. Baljit Kaur. Thank you so much for this beautiful introduction, wonderful introduction about Aruna ma'am. Now there was a surprise given by our Veena ma'am. It was a long-awaited surprise, a very good surprise. And we're all waiting for that beautiful, wonderful surprise to come to light today. And we're going to witness what it is. And I request humbly Mrs. Aruna ma'am to inaugurate that and show us what it is.
मीना 1 मिनिट नो प्रॉब्लेम मॅडम टाइम घ्या काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही दिसलं का? हा दिसते. पण आता तुमचे हे दिसणार आहे आता. यू हॅव टू शो युअर ते दाखवायला लागेल मॅडम तुम्हाला. आपको दिखाना पडेगा.
मी दाखवलं ना.
नाही मॅडम आलं नाही.
आलं नाही का? एक मिनिट.
नो प्रॉब्लेम. मी बघू शकते पण मॅम अरुणा मॅडम मॅम yes now please clap. Yes.
Thank you so much, Aruna ma'am.
So nice.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank
I
you.
don't think this will be any other, a day for this to be inaugurated. Very happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Yes. Thank you.
I would request Mrs. Aruna ma'am to give her, speak a few words and give her Ashirvad Vachan to us. Yes, Aruna ma'am.
हाँ, सबको दिखाई दिया ना?
Yeah, मैडम दिखाई दिया.
1 minute.
अच्छा.
न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी
तो होता है मैडम, सबके साथ होता है. डोंट वरी. ये सब चक्कर तो वी आर लर्निंग डूइंग सो. इतना कर सकते हो सबसे बड़ी बात है. अरे वाह.
नमस्कार आप सबको. प्रथम आप सबको गुरु पूर्णिमा शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ. और आज जो ग्लिम्स ऑफ विजडम की शुरुआत होने जा रही है, इस विशेष अवसर पर मैं वीना मैडम और उनके टीम को इस विशेष ज्ञान प्रसार पहल के लिए, उपक्रम के लिए बधाई देती हूँ.
थैंक यू मैडम.
यह एक बहुत ही नाविन्यपूर्ण और निस्वार्थी प्रयोग है. आज के जमाने में जहाँ लोग सोशल मीडिया का उपयोग सामाजिक अस्वास्थ्य, गलत न्यूज फैलाने के लिए जानते अजानते हुए कुछ चीजों के लिए करते हैं, गलत चीजों के लिए करते हैं, उसी सोशल मीडिया को पॉजिटिव तरीके से यूज करने का वीना मैडम का विचार सराहनीय है. मैं वीना मैडम से जानती हूँ. गुरु पर उनका नितांत विश्वास है. पहला गुरु हमारे माँ बाप होते हैं, उसके बाद हमारे शिक्षक, उसके बाद हमारे जीवन में आध्यात्मिक गुरु आते हैं. लेकिन गुरु आपको कभी कहीं भी मिलते हैं. निसर्ग के प्रत्येक कण कण में हमें गुरु मिलते हैं। फूलों में पानी, पेड़, इन सबसे हम सीखते हैं। कुछ समय के लिए मिलने वाली व्यक्ति भी हमारी गुरु हो सकती है, छोटे बच्चे भी। अच्छे बुक्स हमारे गुरु होते हैं। व्यक्ति का परिवर्तन गुरु नाम की शक्ति ही करती है। यही काम आपकी वीणा मैडम कर रही है। मुझे ये विश्वास है कि वीणा मैडम का ये आर्टिकल सखोल अभ्यास और विस्तृत जांच पर आधारित होगा। ये सरल भाषा में और सबको दिलचस्पी पैदा करने वाला होगा। मैं सभी वाचकों से प्रोत्साहित करना चाहूंगी कि आप इसे हर सप्ताह बारीकी से पढ़ें और अपनी विशेष टिप्पणी, जब इसमें से कोई बात अपनी जिंदगी में इम्प्लीमेंट करनी हो, लेखक के साथ चर्चा करें और अपना समाधान ढूंढें। जाते जाते मैं आप सबको गुरु पूर्णिमा के दिन एक बात कहना चाहूंगी कि खुद को साक्षी की दृष्टि से देखिए। आपका मन और बुद्धि उससे शांत होती है। कभी कभी विचार के माध्यम से दबी हुई भावनाएं ऊपर आती है। मतलब बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि आहार अच्छा लेते हैं, योग करते हैं, दवा लेते हैं, उसके बाद भी हमारी बीमारी ठीक नहीं। 15-20 साल से मन में ऐसी भावना आती कि मेरे साथ ये हुआ था, वो हुआ था, और हम दुखी होते हैं और शारीरिक जख्म भर जाती है, लेकिन मेंटल, मानसिक जख्म जल्दी नहीं भरती, कभी कभी बहती भी है। उस बात करके हम और दुखी होते। तो आपको बाहर आना है तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए कि आपको सबको माफ करना सीखना चाहिए। सबको माफ कीजिए। अभी हमने कभी कभी हमारे साथ भी ऐसे होता है कि जाने अनजाने में हम भी किसी को तकलीफ देते हैं, तो उन्हें भी क्षमा मांगिए। उस समय अपने चैतन्य स्वरूप देह को अपने साक्ष्य रूप से देखिए, शांत साथ से देखिए और खुद के साथ संवाद करें। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि हम खुद के साथ बातें ही नहीं करते, सब काम करते हैं, लेकिन खुद के लिए समय नहीं निकाल पाते। और मन में कहिए कि मैं सभी तान तनाव, चिंताएं, डर, गिल्ट, इन सबसे मैं मुक्त हूं, मैं शांत हूं और मैं सबसे सुरक्षित हूं। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू।
Thank you, Archana ji. Aruna ma'am, it was so nice. Like, your blessing means a lot to all of us, to this wonderful project which is going to come now. और आपका जो अपना वो forgiving था, वो advice बहुत अच्छा था. Thank you so much, Aruna ji. Thank you so much. Now moving on. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव. This is what Archana ji is to me. She's everything to me. I'm very honest in putting, because the first person whom I met in my life as a spiritual person, as a, my guide, as in spiritual, of course, I'm not more into that, but that was Archana ji, and thanks to Veena ma'am for having me introduced to her in Ashraya Yoga Center. I welcome Mrs. Archana Pandya, Archana ji, whom we call as lovingly in our center. Everybody we call her as Archana ji. She's a yoga practitioner. She took classes, but she was into this field, giving discourses, the Bhagavad Gita, when she gives, you feel so relaxed. That's what I felt all these days. Even now I'm continuing with her. I feel so blessed, and there are so many people here blessed to have listened to her, got all the wisdom, the knowledge, whatever they wish to, they are getting it and getting the solutions for all their problems. Now I request Mrs. Archana ji to say a few words, Ashirwad speech. Over to her. Unmute.
Namaskar to all of you. Very happy to see all of you here today on this auspicious day. Very happy Guru Purnima to all of you. And we invoke the grace and the compassion of the Guru Parampara on Veena Ma'am, the Ashraya Yoga Center, and all of us here today to bring light into our buddhi and to also bring purity into our hearts. I don't want to say too much. We don't have time. And also, Aruna Madam has so beautifully expressed, so many things that I just have only one thing to say is that all that I can say is what the Bhagavad Gita has to say in chapter 4. The Bhagavad Gita says that jnanam, knowledge, spiritual knowledge, is the most sanctifying. There is nothing more purifying than knowledge. And it is said that knowledge can burn away all our sins. So I feel that what Veena Ma'am has set out to do today is it's not only noble, I think it is extremely elevating, because through the weekly transmission of spiritual knowledge, whether it is what she has learned from Ammaji, or whether what she might have learned from the Bhagavad Gita class, or what she might be learning from many other teachers. And like Aruna Ma'am said, you can acquire spiritual knowledge from so many sources. Everything for a open mind and for a dynamic mind, everything in the creation is a manifestation of the divine and is a manifestation of wisdom. And Veena Ma'am, through this endeavor, through her conscious acquisition of knowledge from the various scriptures and from the gurus, through her own contemplation, through her own sadhana, what she will be presenting to all of us, maybe it is once a week, or I do not know if it is more than once a week, but the thing is that is extremely sanctifying, because there's just that one nugget or that one glimpse of spiritual wisdom can in one stroke just burn out a lot of sins. And that is the greatness of what she's setting out to do, that there is nothing more purifying and sanctifying in this world than spiritual knowledge itself. And I would also just add one more thing. In a way, it is a dhanam, isn't it? So and it is said that the highest form of dhanam is the dhanam of knowledge, spiritual knowledge, right? And in dhanam, the beauty of dhanam is we do not see that somebody is higher and somebody is lower, right? The giver is blessed and the receiver is also blessed. And this is the most beautiful form of dhanam, where the dhanam is knowledge. And Veena Ma'am, who is the transmitter of that dhanam, is blessed. And we are blessed to receive that dhanam because our sins will be purified. On this note, I congratulate Veena Ma'am and the entire team who is supporting her in this extremely noble endeavor. I have no words to say beyond this, because this is the highest thing that one can do for any human being, beyond food, beyond giving money. The highest thing that you can do is to bring knowledge and to illuminate the mind, to purify the heart and elevate the soul itself. Very many congratulations to you, Veena Ma'am, and wish you all the best. And may the grace of the Almighty and may the grace of the Guru Parampara and the grace of Ammaji and Guru Nimbalkarji is anyway always there with you. But I still pray that may the Lord's and the Guru Parampara's abundant grace be upon you for this blessed endeavor of yours. Thank you all very much for being here today in order to share this moment with Veena ji on this day of Guru Purnima. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Priyasha. And thank you, Aruna Madam, because in between, I was not on the screen. Something happened. So, Madam, thank you so much for all your words, kind words, and for your blessings. Can you proceed now? Now, I would like to, Ammaji, whether is there, because it's very difficult to know in mid of this thing. if Ammaji is there, I ask Ammaji, because I don't want to touch the screen because something will happen. We don't know the technology. So if Ammaji is there in this, if he has joined, I ask Ammaji to come on the screen and bless us.
I don't think so. She's there.
Yeah. Then I would like to call Hemjit ji. Please, Dr. Hemjit, please come on the screen. Hemjit, I saw you joining. Please come on the screen. Hemjit. Hemjit ji.
No, Hemjit sir is not there, ma'am. He's not. Yeah.
We must have left. Okay, no problem. Can we continue the session?
Yes. Thank you, Archana ji. Now I would pass on to Veena ma'am. She will show her heartfelt, get a few words from Veena ma'am, showing their gratitude. Over to Veena ma'am now.
My heart is filled with the joy and I feel the contentment of a present life, what I am reading today. But I owe this, whatever I am today, to all my gurus. First guru is my mother. I still remember I was very young. In place also remember she had tears in her eyes and she was looking at me. I want you to become a doctor. इससे मैंने बड़े हो गई हूँ वो तो मन में रहा मेरा हमेशा. It was there in my heart. जब भी होना है तभी होगा. अरुणा मैडम का कदमों में मुझे डाल दिया. अरुणा मैडम के साथ मैंने 25-30 साल से मैं 30 साल के पहले एज अ मेंटली साइकोलॉजिकली कंप्लीटली डिस्टर्ब लेडी होके अरुणा मैडम का क्लास में ज्वाइन हुआ YBN में. So then she showed me a beautiful journey. There also she pointed out me, why don't you become a yoga teacher? Always I used to be there in 7 o'clock. By 7 to 9:30 I should accompany her. मैडम आपको याद आता होगा प्रैक्टिस के बाद रुक के हम लोग फिर आपका प्रैक्टिस होने के बाद निकलती थी. I was a demonstrator. It was a very proud moment for me. I am a demonstrator for madam. The best teacher which I saw, yoga teacher. What we are today is because of our gurus. That is what is very. निम्बालकर जी तो है ही सर, लेकिन उनका डिसाइपल डायरेक्टली जो ट्रेन हुआ है अरुणा मैडम के पास मेरा योगा अभ्यास शुरू हुआ है. तो उससे मुझे बहुत सीखने को मिली. मुझे फिर उन्होंने पॉइंट आउट किया आपको योगा टीचर क्यों टीचर ट्रेनिंग कोर्स नहीं होता, लेकिन फुल ऑफ रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बट देन it again stuck to my mind, took me to the आश्रय योगा सेंटर. फिर उन्होंने उधर मुझे एक बहुत था फर्स्ट आश्रय योगा सेंटर का शुरू हुआ. इट इज वाज फॉर द सीनियर सिटीजन वॉलंटरी सर्विस as a workshop it was started. Okay, so I was called to take the sessions in morning and evening in the Ashray Yoga Center. The morning first session was conducted by Nimbalkar ji. जब भी निम्बाड़कर जी उधर पहुंच सकते तो मुझे अंदर से लगा कुछ तो जर्नी में मेरा कुछ अलग होने वाला है. इट वॉज ए स्ट्रगल. एवरीबडी नोस ऑलवेज अर्चना जी वॉज देयर एंड मेनी स्टूडेंट्स स्टिल दे आर विद मी. हाँ, अरुणा मैडम का सेशन रखा था मैंने. फिर अरुणा मैडम ने एक जगह में अभी भी मेरा आंख में सामने आता है, आगे जाके वीणा तो कुछ लिखोगे, यू आर गोइंग टू राइट समथिंग. दैट इज व्हाट विद हियर क्लोज आई स्टिल दैट पिक्चर कम्स टू माय माइंड. With a close eye, आज नहीं तुम बहुत लिखने वाली हो, आपके हाथ से बहुत कुछ. देन वो मेरा कीड़ा जैसे मेरा मन का अंदर घूमने देता रहा. अरुणा मैडम ने ऐसे कैसे बोला मुझे, आई एम गोइंग टू राइट समथिंग. एंड विद द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड अर्चना जी का लाइफ में प्रवेश हो गया. जैसे अर्चना जी का जाते जाते हमको और एक बड़ा ट्रेजर को दे के गए, ये तो अम्मा जी है. फिर जब भी अम्मा जी का सेशन शुरू होगा, इट वॉज फैंटास्टिक. आई स्टार्टेड अलॉन्ग विद अर्चना ऑल्सो going all the way to Thane and many उपनिषद मैंने अटेंड किया. तभी भी मुझे लगता था एक बहुत बड़ा उपनिषद में हमने एक सेशन में एक पॉइंट भी हम लोग लिए, फॉलो करने की जरूरत नहीं माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, लिए और उसका अंदर हम कॉन्टेम्पलेशन करें, किधर तक उधर अपना उद्धार होगा, बाकी लोगों को छोड़ो. देन नो मुझे बैठना है, एक बुक्स पढ़ा, इसको बैठना, छोटे छोटे नोट्स लिखने लगी, एक करने लगी. आई स्टार्टेड द कलेक्शन ऑफ सम नोट्स from Archana's session, Amma's session, Upanishad, which we can follow easily. उतरने से मेरा अंदर क्या होगा वो देखेंगे पहले. Then I started so many applying, बहुत सारी चीजों को अपना जीवन में एक्सपेरिमेंट करने लगा. अरे ये this works fantastic. Why? कोविड हो, बारिश हो, हम तो चिंता में है ही नहीं. So I thought we'll start, but with the grace of God, देखिए कितना है. Whoever I asked in this team, I want to introduce them now. Deepa, please come on the screen. you're there always. And while I left, she has a class. You all already seen him. And please, Aparna Rao, please come on the scene. And Sujata ji. ये चार लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट किया, विल यू प्लीज हेल्प. एंड गुरु जी तो है ही, मुझे अरुणा मैडम भी बोल, आई एम देयर वीना, डोंट वरी. अर्चना जी तो ऑलवेज छोटा मैसेज कहते, इतना पूछने से इतना इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता है. आई नो शी इज सो हम्बल, शी इज सो, दानम करना उनको अच्छा लगता है. सो अर्चना जी को मैंने आपको सबको, एक्चुअली टाइम कम हो रहा है, इसके लिए आई विल नॉट आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. आई विल सेंड द व्हाट्सएप जब भी मैंने भेजा है. और सुजाता जी तो पूरा हम्बल होके बताए, आप हमको ऑर्डर दे दो, रिक्वेस्ट नहीं करने का आगे से. इस बारे में बहुत अच्छी कल्पना है आपका. इसमें से आपके हफ्ते में एक बार का एक आर्टिकल आएगा, सिंपलीफाई हो के आएगा, और गुरुजनों का चप्पा मिलने के बाद ही आपका यहाँ आता है. ऐसे मैं चीज में नहीं बना रही हूँ, जिस तरह से सीखती हूँ उनका तक जाएगा, उनसे करेक्शन होगा प्रॉपरली, क्योंकि उसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है हमारे. बिकॉज big words cannot go into a heart. We are not that much elevated. Okay, वो आपका पास आएगा सिंप्लीफाई होके. उसको एक वर्ड आए, उसको दिन में एक बार पढ़िए, ज्यादा पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं, एक ही बार पढ़िए. और इसमें क्या हो सकता है, मेरा मन और मेरा बुद्धि में इसमें जो बोला है, किसमें हमने कमी है, उसको हमें सोचना है. वो कमियों को हो सकता है आपका मन मानता है तो चेंज करने की कोशिश करिए. दैट मेडिटेशन व्हाट एवर आर्टिकल विल बी, जब जाएगा उसके लिए एक मेडिटेशन तो मेरा already I have done it under the guidance of Archana and Aruna madam. Many times they had given to meditation, क्योंकि वो goes together. This is what my experience. ज्ञान उसका हिसाब से एक उसका इक्वल एक से मेडिटेशन करना चाहिए, एफर्मेशन होना चाहिए, रिलैक्सेशन होना चाहिए, उसका हिसाब से एक ब्रीथिंग टेक्निक होता है. This will make you to change your attitude completely. To please be open-minded to such practices, open-minded to the articles what you are. It will show the scriptures articles like a darpada, mirror of your inner images. आपका माइंड और बुद्धि में बहुत अगली दिखाएगा. एक्सेप्ट इट, प्लीज डोंट गो अवे. अरे मैं कितना अगली दिख रही हूँ, मेरा इतना गंदगी है. वी विल फील लाइक रनिंग अवे समटाइम्स. नो, आपको पकड़ के बैठना है, और अगलीनेस को बहुत ग्रेसफुली देखो, एक्सेप्ट करो, ये मेरा अंदर अगली है. आई विल वर्क ऑन इट. एक द वे आई फॉलो द गाइडलाइंस ऑफ माय गुरुस, एंड व्हाट आई एम टुडे इज just because of gurus and their guidance. Hope we will enjoy this, whatever the articles is given. Always my gurus are with me to guide me, and I am really feel blessed today. Whatever the आपने इतना सुंदर मुझे रास्ता दिखाया, और इतनी सुंदर रास्ते में चलने की मेरा जो ख्वाहिश है, उसको आपका आशीर्वाद दे रही है, आपका विश्वास से. So I am blessed. So I am blessed with all my gurus. I am prostrate in front of all gurus and surrender my this work at your lotus feet. And please help me and pray and wish me to continue this till my last breath. That is what I just मैं आपसे सब प्रार्थना करती हूँ. Thank you. I'll end up. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Veena ma'am. You have always been an inspirational figure to all of us, my yoga guru. So needless to say, many of us have this experience of yours. Thank you so much, Veena ma'am. And thank you, Dr. Emjit sir, for having been present here. Thank you so much. Now I move on to, I pass it on to Mrs. Aparna Rao for vote of thanks for the acknowledging this session. Over to her.
Thank you, Deepa ji. Okay. On this occasion of Guru Purnima, and on behalf of all our sadhakas, I pay our respect and gratitude to all the gurus in our Guru Parampara. I thank, on behalf of our team, we thank Aruna ji and Archana ji for their presence to inspire and encourage us to follow the teachings by our gurus. We thank Veena Bhatt ma'am for taking efforts to arrange this event, wherein we get to connect to our tradition. Also would like to congratulate Veena Bhatt ma'am for coming up with this idea of imparting the knowledge, like by presenting key extracts from the spiritual text in a simpler form, so that it reaches many and can they apply in their day-to-day life to improve their life.
Thank you all for your participation. Thank you very much again.
Closing prayer.
ॐ पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।